Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, it's hot summertime, perfect grilling weather. We're gonna do something today. You ever decided I wanna grill something, but I don't know what I wanna do, hot dogs or hamburgers or whatnot? How about do both at the same time? How about a burger dog? Now you may never heard of this. We're gonna put a hot dog and a hamburger together at the same time. And oh man, these things are fantastic. So stick around and hang tight. Okay, here's what we've got. This is a half pound of hamburger meat, all right? This is 80-20 or better, okay? This is some we ground, so I'm not gonna tell you this exactly, but it may be a little more fat than that, but I'm gonna just take it and hand press it out like this. And I want it fairly thin, but I want it enough to go around my hot dog, okay? All right, next, I'm gonna take one of these hot dogs that I grilled, all right? I'm gonna take, this is cheddar cheese. Now you use whatever floats your boat, okay? You wanna use mozzarella, you wanna use Swiss, whatever. All right, I'm gonna put some cheese in here. Now, the interesting part of this is why I've got this on this plastic wrap, saran wrap, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna roll it just like this, all right? I'm gonna close the ends up. Just like this. Our cheese and our hot dog is inside that roll. All right. There we go. All right. And if you don't get it closed up that good and a little cheese leaks out the end, it's okay. All right. I've got one more that I'm gonna do. I want it plenty wide enough that it covers the hot dog completely. All right, let's take another hot dog, put in here, and some more cheese. Now, listen, you make this your own, okay? This is what something I like to put in it. And again, I'm gonna take this plastic wrap and just roll it into a log, all right? Pull the plastic out, roll it over. Again, I'm gonna close the ends up. And here we go. Now, I realize this looks pretty big. This is not normal hot dog size, okay? There we go. There's the two of them. All right, season. Let me get some of that meat off my hands here. All right, to season. This is Competition Cow Shake, Uncle Steve's. There you go. We're gonna start with it. We're gonna season over this side. The second one I'm going to be using, this is Smoke Bomb. Another one of my favorites. Both of these go with beef. Those hot dogs were all beef. No pork in those hot dogs. All right. Roll them over again. All right. Competition cow powder. Smoke Bomb. And there we go. And you see I'm doing this all the way around. And there we go. All right. Heading over to the grill. Come on, go with me. Well, we're going to move these over. Put them on the heat. Just like that. Put the top back on. All right. We're going to cook them just like you would a normal hamburger, okay? We're going to keep our eye on it, roll it. We'll bring you back in just a little bit. All right. Time to check it. Oh, yeah. See that juice is running clear? Just like with a regular hamburger. That means it's done. Take it off and go to the table. All right. Well, let's build one of these burger dogs. All right. You see, this is not a normal hot dog bun that I'm using. This is, you need at least a hoagie bun, if not a sub bun. I want mustard. Now, just a regular hot dog, you'd never see me put ketchup on it or mayonnaise. A lot of you may love it. I'm just not a big fan. All right. This big old mamma jamma. I already know I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna put a few onions on it. Look at that. That is a burger dog. All right, let's do the other one. I'm gonna do it plain without anything. That's a burger dog. How about that? Man, that looks delicious. All right. Let's take, no way. I'm gonna try to take a bite of the middle of that one. There we go. Done just like I like it. The only thing left to do is we're gonna take a bite out of this. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smoke bomb is coming through. Onions. I'm gonna have to have another one. This would be your bite if you were here. Oh my goodness. That's too good. Listen, you don't want to fix a hot dog or a hamburger. You can't decide which to do. Do them both at the same time. Do a burger dog. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Thanks for sticking around. I know this is a little odd, but I appreciate you watching till the end. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you right over here. How about hit that thumbs up, ring the bell, hype it. Something new is coming on strong. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.